There are some people who are doing the business. Hey, what you are doing? What you are doing? I'm doing business. I'm doing business. Okay. Simple, straightforward question. If you won't go to the office for 1 week, is your business is running? Hey, how man? That's my business, man. I should be there. From morning to evening, I should be there, man. Everything should be in my control. Otherwise, the quality, all these things are going to be reduced. I should be there. That thing is enough. He's the most stupid person. He's the most mental crazy person. Because he's not business owner. He's an employee of that business. Who is the owner of that business is same person only. So, the owner recruiting himself for the job. He's not doing the business, he's doing the job. Business owner means concentrate on higher level activities, strategies, goals, next higher level planning. All those things must be required, not doing each and every low level activity. If you are going to do everything on your own, you can run. If you are going to do everything on your own, you can run.
Pawn shop.
Pawn shop. Remember that. There, a small box is there. He's going to open and then he will enter. Just even to move freely also, space is not there. Just to sit. And then, if someone is coming, a cigarette, then he is responsible to give the cigarette. Another person is coming, pan. Yes, another person is coming, gutka. Like all these things, who is the responsible to do? This person only. One fine day, doctor told that, okay, you should not work for the next 3 days because you got the fever. Like, what will happen for the next 3 days to that pawn shop?
Closed.
Same thing.
That closed. That closed. Closed. After 3 days, is going to open. Arey, bhai, what happened for the last 3 days you didn't? Anna, getting fever, full fever. Okay, today only I came out. Wow, wonderful. He has to attend some marriage. His own nearby relatives' marriage, he has to go. Then what this person has to do?
Shop close.
Close the shop.
Closed. Closed. Okay? So observe carefully. If you are not having delegation mentality, you can do only pawn shop business you can do. Beyond that, nothing. Every aspect of your life, whatever activity you are doing, first question, is it delegatable? Is it delegatable? If it is delegatable, happily you can delegate, man. Is there any chance to delegate? Delegate. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. Don't sell your life month by month. Slowly your life is selling to a company or to a business owner month by month by doing everything on your own.